Assalamu alaikum. I am Imrul Qais, ID 181352470. Today I am presenting my presentation on my thesis topic, and it is my mid defense presentation. My presentation topic is sleep disturbance for COVID-19 in Bangladesh. Now I am sharing my presentation slide with you and describing it. This is the presentation topic of my thesis: sleep disturbance for COVID-19 in Bangladesh, and at first, I will tell you about the background. We know that in recent time, the COVID-19 is one of the major fact and major pandemic for the whole world, with also Bangladesh, because it has stopped the development life cycle and taken too many lives. And this phenomenon has taken more than 27,404 life in Bangladesh, and 15 lakh people have been affected. With the overall worldwide, it has taken too many lives. And besides that, this pandemic has created a negative effect on physical and mental situation of human being. For this reason, the sleep problems in the recent time has taken the hot topic and taken the hot place in our discussion. Um, Now I will tell you about the introduction. In the introduction section, I will tell you about the major significant points which have been highlighted here from different articles and papers, because in different papers we can see that it has came out from the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and it has infected in Bangladesh 7 March 2020. And from others papers we can see that anxiety stress are reasonable responsible for this COVID-19 sleep disturbance. And we can also know that among four adults, one is suffering from these problems. Now, from another article's paper, we can see that one third of the medical workers are suffering from these insomnia problems, and their ratio is 26.67%. And in another articles, it has said that 60% health workers are suffering from this, from the moderate severe stress. And besides that, we can also see that some papers shows the general population sleep problems disorders is 32.2%, which is greater than the previous of the COVID-19 problem. Now, if we say about the healthcare problems and general population, and make a comparison, we'll see that the healthcare providers is 36 points, and the general population is 32.3% are suffering from this problem. So, with that, these sleep problems in this pandemic is also responsible the digital media use before sleeping. Now, the method point. In the method point, I'll say you about the data collection procedure and data description set, because here I'll see I'll show how I will collect my data. And collected my data, I have collected the data using cross sectional means collecting data from randomly, and according to that data, making a prediction from that random data set, and it's self reported online questionnaire survey from the users. Besides, this data will be collected in Google Data spreadsheet, and age from 18 to older will male or female will be used to collect the data. I will try to collect 1,000 data for my research topic, and there may be 32 variables for the data set, and I will use the snowball sampling. That means snowball sampling means one user to another user, the link will be shareable, and the data will be collected from my for my thesis project dataset. And data, the next point is data variables types. Here I will use demographic, sleep quality, and COVID-19, and psychological data variables like sex age, depression, anxiety, losing income, losing job, and so many. That means COVID-19 and sleep quality related questionnaire will be set here. Now the measurement license. How I have used and collected my data for this reason, and how I will use my measurement. For collecting the research papers and articles, I have used the data Google Scholars, and through the Google Scholars, I used the database Matrix. Elsevier, Doctors, ESRS, Spencer Frontlines, and so on, which are paper in 2020 and 2021. I used sleep disturbance, sleep disorders, sleep problems, and isomnia cures with the COVID-19 cures for finding the research topic. I collected papers from China, Japan, Italy, Canada, and Bangladesh. About 15 papers I have collected, and among 15 papers, I selected 3 papers for my questionnaire. Now, the another step is data analysis procedure. I used here. I will use here mixed method because qualitative and quantitative method are using in this option for collecting my data, and I will use four supervised algorithm like decently random first KNN logistic regression and with naive for collecting my dataset prediction. And with that, I will use the descriptive statistics method for my demographical characteristics in Bangladesh population. And with that, I will use Thai-square test for comparison between classification variables. And with that, I will also use odds ratio and one-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA will use for making comparison between independent and dependent variables. Now the step is working procedure. How I will work from the starting of my thesis working till the end. At first, I will collect my data through Google Form from the user, and that will be in Google spreadsheet. After data collection, I will process it. In the pre-processing unit, there I will do data cleaning, feature selection, and convert data string to numerical for my benefit of my thesis research. Then from the pre-processing, after that I will train my data. Train my data. After training the data, I will use my selected algorithm for my output result of the thesis topic. There will use logistic regression, KNN, dysentery, naive Bayes, and random forest. After that, I will use the test data on that algorithm, and I will try to find out which algorithm is best and which variable is the most responsible for my sleep disturbance of COVID-19 thesis. So this is the overall project topic of my thesis. So thank you everyone.